In the hobby of numismatics, there are individuals that are dedicated to one series of coins or one set of coins or paper money and will diligently collect and catalog these items. And a lot of it is also new research. Such was the case with Werner Burger's book Qing Cash until 1735, which examines the early cash coins of the last dynasty in China, cataloging the information to give a chronological order of the material, catalog mints that produced the coins, and also ways to tell the difference with stroke orders and stroke variations in stroke appearance. He went so far as to do year-by-year charts showing obverse and reverse of the coins. Following this work, he spent several decades examining many tons of cash coins to produce this work, Qing Cash, which is a 2-volume set, again showing examples of coins that were produced. In this case, looking at the coins of Shen Feng, ruler of China from 1851 to 1861. We see the designs of coins produced, the variety of sizes, also some of the differences between the mints, which could be quite extreme. He also gives examples of paper money and fantasy pieces and counterfeits produced during this time. Here is an example of one of the tables showing the year-by-year progression of coins by mint. You can see some of the differences in the design elements, the stroke shapes, and some of the strokes that are, rather than 2 individual, are 1. Because this book is so expensive and fragile, it is non-circulating. If you would like more information about the book or are visiting the library, welcome to ask the staff about the books, the Qing Cash history, and also the catalog that shows the tables of coins produced year by year. His earlier work, Qing Cash until 1735, is available for circulation and may be checked out. Please contact the library staff if you are interested in this item.